I'm Stuart, I'm the creative agent for Cantref Primary and I've been assigned by the Arts Council to improve the children's measuring skills, their independent thinking. The practitioner Reese, he's been in and he's talked to the children, asked them lots of questions about do we live in a rainforest, and guided by the children themselves, they've started work on researching and modelling and deciding whether or not we do live in a rainforest.
The kind of projects that we're doing here, the answer hasn't happened yet, and that's what makes it exciting. And when the children actually realise that, then they're a genuine part of active learning and involvement and engagement, and be able to try it, and it gives them ownership.
Being part of this Lead Creative School scheme, it's really exciting, especially with this project. And we came up with the idea, the conceit that they were going on an expedition to the rainforest, so they had to create a base and build a shelter for themselves. The project involves using real power tools and real building materials.
I know there are certain children that I have in my class, and I'm sure every class has got them, that this type of working suits them down to the ground, and to see them enthused and motivated and leading as well, that for me will be a big highlight.
What's really fueling that excitement for this project is that the school have given it the right amount of time, try things out, see whether it works or not, and learn from it. So far, the students have highlighted that to be able to work creatively, they've got to work well as a team, they've got to be resilient, they've got to persevere. They're all those really important skills that will help them as they go on with other work.
Creativity is paramount to everything that they'll need to do in their future. If they have not got those skills of being able to think flexibly, follow a lead that they've got in their mind. If they can't do that, we're setting them up to fail.
Creativity is in all things, and it needs to be at the forefront really of education, because you can apply creative skills to maths, to numbers, in all things really.
I am very excited and privileged really to take part in Lead Creative Schools. I think it's a great project and opportunity for all primary schools.